Hello everyone, go as far as you can see with you, and today I want to do some little repairs. So inside the vehicle it starts smelling a little bit of the oil. I would probably even say it's not oil, it's more of a oil from the header. Okay, so we're going to check a couple things. Usually crankcase positive, cover on the left side, and should be three covers. They're going like this, case covers. There are two small ones and one big one. I think I have done larger one long time ago, buddy of mine. So on the back here there's a zip. You unlock it, then you slip these pieces off right here. This is two clips only holding it in place. Okay, there's a simple come off right there. This is what it look like, and sometimes gas caps can leak, and gas cans, I'm sorry. So there's one in the back right here, one in the smaller one right here, and this is a positive case exhaust door. So we don't have this one to replace. It's like all oily. It could have been the one that this is leak, but I will start with these three items. Today is holidays. Oh, that's interesting, and everybody is not working. I'm not sure what was on top of this thing right here. There is something was here too. It's probably a case. Yep, it is a case. Let's see. Yeah, this guy right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is missing. Slap in. Got it. You can just use screwdriver to pop those things. I won't use probably a small one, but I'm probably going to take this big one off. We're going to use two hands, and I'll probably put you on pause while I'm taking this thing off. I can definitely say it's come off pretty easy. Let's see, it's a leak at the bottom, so I'm pretty sure there's the oil is going to run on the floor over there right now. Yeah, it's all bad. Assuming that's where it was leaking, and it's broken. Probably sipped a lot of oil through the sink. So we're going to wipe on the back, and I might use an extra gasket to put it around. So I just wiped everything and put this one right here. This was damaged. I don't know why. Just come like this. Yeah, they're easy to break. And let's go ahead and see what I got on the back. Of course, it's all wet now. I'm gonna clean very well. You can definitely say it was sipping from here. This is another one I have to change right here. This one appeared to be been changed before, and this guy right here we're talking about, but I need to buy one of those. It's only $25. Today is holiday, Christmas, and everybody's closed, so just going to be use hex to remove 4 bolts, hex 10, and remove this pipe. Swap this piece right here. There will be a link in my description for the part number. I'll let you know updates and comments what it look like after I finish, like with few weeks or days. This is a small comparison of the difference I'll show you. So on the right side, the one that is flat almost with the body, on the left side you can see it's sticking out. It's a new. Let me do it again. Right here on the left side you can see it's or at the bottom, here's on the left side, and on the right side is flush. So the old one is definitely could easier leak. Okay. I would suggest to use the 2 hands to start it. Okay, yeah, it's pretty solid right now. It will be really hard to push it out. And I'm gonna probably change this one right now too. I need 2 hands again. You can buy both of these plugs into the regular parts store, and I can confirm that I have not break any of this. It's all cracked. So I'm not sure how well it is sealed. It's the replacement. The part number 4 gaskets, Dorman brand cam plugs, so it will be 2 small and 1 big, and of course there will be second part of this video a little bit later, because I think I'm just going to replace all those plugs. Just make sure. And the things go back on pretty much the same way.